from here itself. So in class, what we it's constant. So pragmatically, if you see, class is just a collection of functions. Okay, functions and variables. So the related functions, okay, we group them together and form a class. Okay, so I can define a class string, and then it will have set of functions. So and those are related functions in the sense related to string that So and advantage of class is that we can create an object of class. The moment I say str equal to friends, str2 equal to friends, str2 became an object of class string. All the functions that we have defined, okay, this is inbuilt class, right? So inbuilt class means we have not written, but already it is written there. And in when we talk about classes, we will try to create our own classes. Okay, we'll try to create our own classes. So we are trying to create class. Okay, that means we're trying to create, or in that sense, rather, sorry, in this case, class is already created. So when I say str2 of friends, I'm creating an object of class string. Okay, and all the functions that we have in string will be automatically assigned to str2, right? And we will see some of those functions. Okay, but this is what the concept is. Okay, concept is the classes will have some functions, and when you assign multiple, like if you have 100 objects, if you create 100 objects, okay, all the 100 objects of string will have the classes which are created in string. Okay, so functions again. What does function mean? Function means it is a set of instructions, set of lines of code given a name. So you implement it once, but you can use it at multiple places. You don't have to write. Okay, as I said, write print. So when you say print, and inside if you say hello, okay, so print will print hello on the screen. But there are some set of code. It's not as simple. So there's some set of code which is written for print, right? And we don't have to bother. Okay, we don't have to know the code. For us, it's good enough to know that okay, print does print on the screen. Okay. Okay. So anyway, like I got this warning for 10 minutes, and today when it drops, we'll not join back. Okay, we'll end it. We'll end the day when it drops. So when you talk about string, as I said, it has some set of functions. What are those functions? So when you create an object, okay, and when you say str2 dot, okay, object. So object str2 is object of string, and when I say object dot, I get all these functions. These are all the functions which are in the string. Title, lower, is alpha, split, index, count, starts with, swap case, capitalize, upper, format, is numeric. These are all functions which are defined under the class string. So when we use it, okay, we will be able to, when we use it in the sense, when we create an object of string, we will be able to use all these functions. We don't have to write our own function. We can directly call this function, and this will be implemented. Okay. So first one is called title. Okay. So in title there are two functions. One is just the title, and second one is dot is title. Okay. So when you say dot title converts the text into title case. Okay, converts the text into title case. Title case means your first character of word is capital, the rest are small. So if I say str as say HELL capital hello friends. Let's say I put this. Okay. Now I say print title, comma str2 dot title. If I run it, okay. So this I'm going to comment it for now. I'm going to delete this thing so that you see the last. Okay. So what happened? You see that? It converted the text into title case. It converted the text into title case. We had hello H small, so it made H capital, and rest is in small, so capital L became small l. So when you say title case, okay, title, it means you are saying that convert into title case. Title case means first character of every word is capital. Okay. Now you have is title. So is title is like asking a question. Is str2 in title case? Is. Okay. So to tell me, if I run this now, what will I get? Or what would be the output of line number 15? So I told you is title means it is asking the question, is the string which is str2 in title case?
Yes.
Yes, you're right. It will be yes. Okay. Because we just now converted into title case. A yes is true in string, right? So it said false. Why? Because in the function str2, okay, is converted into title, but your str2 value itself is not changed. Str2 dot title is title case, but when I say str here str2, okay, str2, okay, you still have str2 in original format. So we need to say str2 equal to str2 dot title. So str2 dot title give you a title case. Okay, this is str2 dot title, but str2 dot title is in title case. Str2 is not. So we have to say str2 equal to str dot title. Now if you print yes, it will be true, and this is the C str2 is changed. Okay. So same thing we can do for you have lower is lower. You have upper is upper. Okay. So what does lower will do?
Is it lowercase?
It will convert into lowercase, right? And is lower?
Is the question, is it lowercase?
Is it lowercase? Exactly. So what I want you to do is I want you both to try these two today. Okay. Anyway, tomorrow we have a lot more functions to cover. We'll talk about in more functions, but try these two on your own today, and later we'll come back tomorrow and see. Okay. So let's do two more functions before we go. So str2 dot, okay, is title lower is alpha. Is alpha. So is means what? Question mark. Is alpha. So it's like asking, does str2 contain alphabets only? Does str2 contains alphabets only? So is it true or false here?
True.
Okay, what's the value of str2? What is str2 value?
Is it?
Hello friends, right? str2 is hello friends, right? Now converted that into this case. So str2 is hello friends. Now you see here, there's a space in between. Is space alphabet? How many alphabets do we have? How many alphabets do we have in English?
12, I believe.
Huh?
Oh wait, hold on. Let me count them.
Alphabets. Alphabets means A to Z, right? 26 alphabets. Okay. Now, when you were taught ABCD, yeah, when you taught ABCD, they didn't teach a space or underscore, right? So space underscores are not treated as alphabet. Okay. So if you say hello friends, okay, and you have space here, it will be false, okay, because it has space, and space is not your alphabet, right? It is only one A to Z. But if I delete this, if I make it hello friends, now you see it has only alphabets, right? So now it will be true. Get it? So is alphabet is to check if it is only alphabet. Okay, space, numbers, all those things will be treated as non-alphabet. Even if I put 9 here, okay, hello friends 9. So it is false because 9 is not alphabet. Okay. Similarly, you have I want to check if it is digits and alphabet. Okay. So I say here is, okay, alnum. You see here, alnum is alnum. Okay. Al stands for alphabet and num stands for numeric. Now you tell me, will this be true or false? Is alnum
True.
true?
True.
Okay. Yes. Now if I give space here, will it be true or false? False. Yes, because digits are 0 to 9 and alphabets are A to Z. So you don't have space in either number system or in alphabet, right? So this is going to give us false because space is neither alphabet not number. But if I remove it, okay, you get it true. So similarly, you have something called as, you know, str2. If you go, you have I'll put is. So you have is alpha, is numeric, is space, is upper, is digit. If you just want to check digit, okay, it is digit. Okay, just want to check is it lower. Okay, so I want you to try is numeric, is digit, okay, digit